Hi from Thailand. We are in a city called Chiang Mai, and today we have really low budget 2-level townhouse and it's minimalist one. You won't believe, but it costs us just $11 per night. Let's go and see together. We are in, look at this house. We have at once this living room. In this living room we have a table, like bar table, and 4 chairs. You can have a food here or work here. And this is small but cute couch, table and TV. Let's see what do we have here. Follow me. So we have a kitchen. It's so unusual. I was so surprised and shocked when I saw it, but it's really functional. Look how is it narrow. It leads us here, and we have a sink. It seems so tight, but believe me, it's really comfortable. And you can do any food which you want. So we have a toaster, electrical cooker, teapot, microwave and fridge. And also one feature really special that we have here, natural lighting. Look at this roof. I really like it, and at the evening you can open these lights and it's really enough and bright. And here we have one more door. Let's see what is this. This toilet. So as you see, this ground floor is really functional because we have like living room, we have kitchen and toilet. So you can have a guest and any like party. Let's go upstairs. Now we pass in living room again. This is our stairs. As you see here, too much light, and also it looks so cool because we have real natural light. It's transparent roof there. We have some special hangers to hold yourself. I don't know how to say. The stairs are a little bit too much up. Engin, how to say it in English?
You can say hi.
So they're a little bit like up. That's why it's more comfortable to hold yourself. And we are on our first floor. Let's see what do we have here. Engin, what are you doing? Get back to work.
Okay.
So this is our bedroom. You can see it's also wide and it makes ground floor. We have a big, comfortable, soft bed, and I really love that we have window and reading behind. So it makes like natural artwork here. Let's see what do we have else. And here at this corner we have working area and this very comfortable chair, because for digital nomad it's so important. And Engin was editing whole day yesterday. At this side we have these shelves, like kinda our wardrobe area, and you can make ironing here. What is here? What do you think? What is here?
Of course, balcony.
Balcony. Yeah, it's simple, tight, but it's really cool because you can ventilate your bedroom and so on.
And there's always bird noise, yeah.
Noise? Sound. It's
yes.
Nice. Okay, let's see what else do we have here. It's one more restroom. You can see that this space is pretty narrow, but also we have everything that we need. We have a sink, mirror, natural lighting, and here deep down we have toilet and shower. It's really cool to have these 2 toilets in this house because at night you don't need to go downstairs. So what do I like the most at this house? I really like that landlords were so careful with the colors. As you see, all walls are white and they use a little bit wooden elements here and some black and gray colors. Also, I can say that the construction is so different here. Because of that we have a lot of natural lighting and it makes this house so special, and we really can call it minimalist. As you see, it's also kinda old building and they renovated so well. And I also want to see with you what do we have outside. As you see, we have small garden here, hammock and you can chill. Also, I love so much that our facade made interior because it's like a little bit authentic and made in a white natural colors. And also we have one benefit here. Let's go and see.
Benefit of this area that we have bunch of empty roads like this, then we can do skateboard. That was it for the house tour. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, hit the like button and we'll see you in the next house tour. Say bye bye, Lena.